to those supplying, distributing drugs in Manila. Don't do it in Manila. May talalagyan mo. It's a fair warning. We are very serious about it. Okay? So that is our plan. But the petty crimes happening in the city, nangagaw ng cellphone ng estudyante, nang-hold up sa jeep, umaakyat sa jeep, nanunutok ng kapwa pobre. Umalis na rin yung Manila. Nabisa na ako last month, and today, hindi na abiso. We'll make sure I will meet you here in the same table in a matter of few hours if you will not stop.